Hello and welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how we can create a nice looking author box for your Generatepress website. It will look like this on your desktop devices and it will be 100% mobile friendly and it will look like this on your mobile devices. I will show you step-by-step instructions on how to create this type of author box for your Generatepress website. So let's dive in. This is our WordPress website and you can see here there is no author box at the bottom of the post. Here in our WordPress dashboard, you can see we have got Generatepress theme installed along with the child theme. In the plugins, you can see we have got GP Premium, Generate Blocks and Yoast SEO. The profiles we are using for author box are coming from the Yoast SEO. We can go and edit a profile of a user or author and we can check. We can see that there are various social media handles available. Below there, you can see the biographic information of the author that we can use in the profile in the front end. You can fill in the required details in this section and update the profile accordingly. To create the author box, we need Elements section enabled in the Generatepress settings. Here you can see the Elements section and that should be activated. As it is activated here, we'll go to the Elements section and we can click on Add New Element. From the drop down, we can select Block and click on Create. This will open a new title box. On that, you can give a title for the element. As in our case, it is author profile, and you can save it. After that, we can take a container. Inside the container, we are going to take a grid. The grid will have 25% and 75% width of two sections. After that, we are going to add a dynamic image and we will link it to the author avatar. And in the right hand side, we will adjust the width of the image to 150 pixels and make it look like a rounded image. Once the image is in place, we will add the other details. We will add a headline component and we'll name it as a author. This will be H4. After that, we will add another headline. We'll make this headline dynamic by linking text to the author name and link it to the author archives. Then after we will add a dynamic content section and we will link it to the author description. Now we will publish this page and we can check it in the front end whether the author archive is appearing. As you can see, it is not appearing over here. The reason for this is we have not selected the correct hook to display this particular element. Also, we need to set the proper page or post or wherever we want to display the particular element. So now let's go to the admin dashboard and from there we will select the right hook. In the display tab, we will select it as posts and let it remain it for all the posts. Then in the element section, we will add after underscore content hook so that it will be displayed after the content. Now we can refresh the page and you can see the author archive has come into the page. Now we need to style it. To style it, we'll go to the admin dashboard again. Now I will do the styling. Now I am going to add buttons. These buttons we will convert it into the social media icons. So for that we'll select the button first, then we'll expand the buttons tab. We'll add the desired icon from the library. In this case it is a Facebook icon, and we will click the remove text toggle button. Now we will style it as per our requirements. I'm adding a padding of 20 pixels from all the sides, a 5 pixel margin from all the sides. I'll make a 10 pixel padding to look it little smaller. We'll add a nice border radius of 5 pixels. We'll remove the text. And we will enable the dynamic data, and we will link it to the author meta. From author meta, we will select the Facebook. We will type the Facebook and we will save the page, and we'll see. Now we can refresh and check. As expected, the Facebook icon has come in our author profile. And once we click it, it is going to the Facebook link which we have given in the authors tab inside the user profile. Now I am going to repeat this step by duplicating this particular button and creating other social media buttons. Now we will go to the user profile and check the links of the social media profiles, and we can update it accordingly. For the Twitter, we need to only enter the username without the complete URL. Now we will update the profile. Once we update the profile and refresh the page, we can see that these buttons are linked to the respective social media profiles, except the Twitter button, because we have not entered the complete URL for the Twitter. So in order to fix this issue, we need to go to the themes file and we need to add a custom function. But before doing that, we need to add a custom class to this Twitter button. I will add a custom class for the Twitter button. Now we will go to the dashboard. From there we'll go to the theme editor, and in our child theme we'll add a function. The function, here is the function which we are going to add into the functions file. We need to replace cu-headline-replace with the custom class name which you have added for the Twitter button. We also need to replace the Twitter handle with the complete Twitter URL in this function so that it will link to the respective Twitter profile. Once that is done, we can update the file and visit the author profile and confirm whether the button is linked to the profile. And yes, you can see it is correctly linked. Now we will style the social media icons with the respective social media colors. You have seen how we have created a nice looking author box and linked it to the social media profiles. Thank you for watching. Good day.